Hello, this is problem 17 of a 50-part series of problems from Orgo 1. So if you look at this problem, what we see here in this problem, we have this molecule, which is deoxynitromycin molecule, and we have to explain the mechanism of this reaction, right? So in this reaction, what we see here is that the Cl minus kind of ends up on this carbon of the molecule, and which we don't really understand how, right? Because we also see a ring shrinking happening in this reaction. So if we actually think about it, this is more like a neighboring group participation kind of chemistry happening. So what's actually happening in this mechanism is in the first step, right? What we do see is that nitrogen will actually attack within the molecule, intramolecular attack, and kick out the leaving group, which is present over at this position. Once the leaving group leaves, we will see formation of this ring structure and CH2PH. Okay, so we saw that we would get like this this triangular structure over here. Okay, and now the Cl minus, think about this, we want to retain now this 6-membered ring over here, right? So this 6-membered ring is retained. So this 6-membered ring is retained, and we do see that, okay, so probably on this carbon is where the Cl minus attacks at that position. If you also think about the stereochemistry really fast, right? We see that this group was pointing above the plane. So when the SN2 reaction happens within the ring structure, it would have to happen from below the plane, right? And then of course the Cl minus would go up here, and so the electrons of this bond will end up on the nitrogen. Nitrogen right now here is positive, which I kind of forgot about for a second. Okay, so now we have NCH2PH and CH2Cl. So this is actually the mechanism. Oh, also just wanted to point out here really fast, this is the drug which is also used in the treatment of HIV.